Bro, where's the fluffy thing? Where is it? You lost it. Oh my god, this guy. So I'm looking all over for the fluffy thing, and I can't find it. Where the hell did you put it?
Bruh.
What's up, Art Productions fam? How y'all doing? It's a new day, and Muhammad is over here.
Bruh.
Look at him. Yeah, Muhammad, what's good, bro?
I'm just in the toilet, bro. What is this?
Come here, daddy.
What did he say?
So guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on a pretty cool product. Let's get straight into it, guys. Guys, I'm going to be recording the Sony ZV-E10. Check this out. Oh, hell no.
Bruh. Bruh.
Sony, sponsor me.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bruh.
So yeah, over here, guys, we have the Sony bag. Perfect place to put your stuff inside. All right. They gave me a 32 gig memory card. Free memory card.
Bruh.
Naruto, hire me. Anime style, let's go. So guys, they gave me a microphone, okay? A Sony microphone, original one. They gave me this stick, okay? No.
Bruh.
They gave me this grip. It's a grip, right? And last but not least, the camera. Let's get to unboxing. I cannot throw this around because they're expensive, even though I already threw it, but bro.
Bruh.
Bro. I am not weak. I promise you. I deadlift like 120 kgs, so yeah. Sorry. I forgot not throwing stuff around. The mic. Don't use knives, kids. What the Damn, no mic? God damn, okay. What the hell? Dude, where's the mic? I got scammed by Sony. It's in here, I'm an idiot. Wire. I did not flip you off. I was just doing this to show the mic. Or was I? I threw it again. Fuck. Oh shit. You guys ready? Bro, 3, 2, 1. Bro!
Bruh.
I'm losing my patience. And so is he. 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the camera. I think it's dead. It's dead. I gotta charge it. Hold on.
Bruh.
What are you doing?
I'm promoting for the car.
Promoting the car? GTR, let's go. So you guys, this is actually a 4K recording camera, and it's this guy's about to get slapped. I promise you. Take 3.
Bruh.
It is a fuck. Take 4.
Bruh.
It is a 4K recording camera, okay, which has continuous recording. So it's not like other cameras, which is like stops at 30 minutes or stops at 29 minutes. So it's fully recording, it continues recording, which is really good. The AI system on this thing is really good. Why are you videoing my stomach again?
Bruh.
This guy likes my stomach, bro. It has a lot of features, right? So if you go on here, where is it? Man, I'm new to this as well, so menu. You have all the stuff like JPEG image size, aspect ratio, and if you go here, long exposure, color space, whatever it is, you have a lot of stuff you can see. You have internet, you have Bluetooth, you have Wi-Fi, smartphone connect. See, you can actually connect your smartphone to this thing. You can send an image to your smartphone. It has airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, like I said. The settings here are location, so you can have a location on there. So yeah, and then you have obviously the rest. So overall, it's a really good camera. And look, man, it's my first time doing reviews, so I'm kind of like off the edge. I'm gonna punch him, I swear.
Future car.
Bro wants to promote this now. What is your future car, yeah? Inshallah, one day. Muhammad, I'm gonna kill you. What the hell is this? Why is the box here? Why is the box here and the fluffy thing is inside? Bro.
I put it for you.
Bro. You fool.
I didn't put that.
You fool.